it's Rachel, and for this Science Sunday, I'm going to show you guys how to make a walking rainbow. So to do this experiment, you only need 6 cups. See-through are the best, but they don't have to be. And you are going to line these cups up, and you're going to fill 3 of them with water, and then put them in a row. So you have a cup with water, an empty cup, cup with water, empty cup, cup with water, empty cup. All right. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take some food coloring, and in that first cup with water, you're going to drop just a couple drops of food coloring in there to give it that nice red color. Next, I am going to take my second cup with water and drop some yellow food coloring in there. And last, I'm going to take my third cup with water and drop some food coloring in there. Okay, so now I have a red cup, a yellow cup, and a blue cup interspersed with empty cups. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to need 5 paper towels. And I'm going to take these paper towels and I'm going to just fold them up like this. And I'm going to put one end of the paper towel in my red cup and one in my empty cup so that the ends are touching the bottoms. And I'm going to keep doing this with all the rest of my cups. So this one will go in the empty cup and the yellow cup. This one will go in the yellow cup and the next empty cup. This one will go in the empty cup and the blue cup. And the last one will go in the blue cup and the very last empty cup. Now, right away, you're going to notice some changes here. So if you look a little bit closer, you can see that that blue has already started to move up the paper towel. Same thing with the yellow and same thing with the red. Now, I'm going to tell you why this works. It's a little bit complicated, but it's because of something called capillary action. And what that means is that the adhesion between the paper towel and the water is actually stronger than the cohesion between the water itself. So that water is going to travel up the paper towel, be absorbed and travel up the paper towel and actually into the next cup. And eventually, after a couple of hours, these cups, these empty cups, will start to fill with water. And I actually have an example of the finished product for you that I did earlier if you want to check this out. This is what it will look like when you are finished. So you see the red, now completely red paper towel, and then since I had yellow in here, it's created some orange colored water. All right, and then here my blue and my yellow have both come into this cup to create some green colored water. And if I wanted to make it a rainbow and loop it around, I could have done that. You can add more cups and experiment with this. But again, I know it looks like that water is defying gravity because these cups were originally empty and now they have water in them, but it's actually just through the magic of capillary action. So that is today's Science Sunday, guys. I will see you next time.